Fitness rock stars. Today is day 13 of our 21-day burpee challenge. You ladies are rocking it. Look how much fun it is to wipe this off each time on our calendar. I love it. So after today, 13 will be done and we're moving on. So I want to give our chest and shoulders, back, and arms a little break today. So we're not going to be doing the push-up. We're going to do the squat thrust on the step again like we did yesterday. This time I'm going to add knee to opposite elbows. We're going to do some knee tucks, and then we're going to hop up, go back up on the stairs, jump down, etc. You'll know, just like we did yesterday, but no push-up. Adding on a little bit more, working that core. All right, we're going to do 12 reps, 2 sets, just like we did yesterday. Get ready to rock it, ladies. I'm going to do 1 set with you. You're going to do the 2nd set by yourself. Here we go. Okay, Charlie, you got to get out of the way. Let the dog get out of the way. All right, here we go. Jump up, jump back. Go to back, side, side, bring it up. Jump, back, knee tuck to opposite elbow. Bring it up. This is 3. Breathe. 4. Good. 5. 6. Great job. 7. 8. Good. 9. This is 10. 2 more. 11. Last one. That's good. Jump it up. Jump it back. Great job. All right, ladies, you finish up 1 more set. Rocking. Don't forget to post. See you tomorrow. Great job.